Guess what survived? Let's get this out. And fingers crossed this will work. So plug it into these connectors here. So you can't go wrong with these. They're literally just can only go in one hole. So I'll do that now. That's all on. Now, fingers crossed. Let's put the battery on. Shut it on there for now. Come on, I need some luck on this bloody car. Doing my nutting now. Alright, here goes. Ignition on. Yes, guys, look, it's gone off. It has gone off. Now let's see if it works. Yes, we've got power steering again. Yes! Well, there you go, guys. So after all, it was that module. So obviously I stuck it on the all-tail diagnostic and I could not get into this ECU steering wheel, the EPS. I had no communication, so I thought, right, something's not right. I had power to 12 volt of that. When I was turning the steering wheel as well, I could actually see 6 volt coming through. So there was power, but obviously not enough to control this. So I turned left, it was doing 6, turned right, it was doing about 4 to 6 volts. And now I'm so happy. I can get this MOT tomorrow and then bye car, on to the next one.